Hello everyone, my name is Leila Rusta. I am SAP Financial Consultant. In the first session, we want to speak about SAP Enterprise Structure. In SAP, the organizational structure is a critical component that defines how a company is organized and operates. It consists of various elements that help manage business process effectively. The organizational structure can be displayed from the perspective of different modules. In this picture, you see the main components of the material management, or in short, MM organizational structure in SAP. Client. Client is the highest level in the SAP hierarchy because the client sits at the top of the SAP system hierarchy. Any specification you make or data you enter at this level is valid for all company codes. This ensures that the data is consistent because you enter data only once. You need to enter a 3-digit client key when you log on to the SAP system. Let me show you in SAP. Here, when you want to enter to SAP, you have 3-digit client, which 990 is for production client and 920 for test client. Second level company code. A company code is the smallest organizational unit for which you can maintain a complete set of financial statements. Each company code represents a legal entity. One or more company codes are arranged just below the client. To be able to have consolidate reports, all company codes need to be assigned with the same chart of account and fiscal year variant. I mean your calendar and your periods, even though they can have different local currencies for the day-to-day transactions. The third level is plant. In SAP, plant is the highest organizational unit in MM module. It can be, for example, an operational unit or manufacturing unit. Plant is responsible for planning, procurement, distribution of goods and services. And a plant must be assigned to a company code. The next level is purchasing organization. A purchasing organization is a very important organizational unit within the materials management module. The purchasing organization represents the procuring unit in a legal sense. It's accountable for procurement activities, negotiating terms with suppliers, and ensuring the availability of materials. And in the last level, instead of purchasing group, I decided to explain you storage location. This is a subunit of a plant where stock is kept. It helps in managing inventory at a more granular level. In this picture, you see the organizational structure from sales and distribution point of view. Sales area. You will need at least one sales area defined for each sales relevant company code. Sales areas represent groups within your organization that are responsible for managing distinct portions of the market. For each sales transaction, you will specify which sales area owns the resulting credit. The sales area comprises of three levels: sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Sales organization. This unit is responsible for selling products and services. This level is commonly used to restrict access. Users from one sales organization shouldn't maintain data that belongs to another sales organization. The next one, distribution channel. The next level of the sales area called the distribution channel, and it represents the channels used by your company to distribute goods and services to your customers. The distribution channel is attached to the sales organization. No standard SAP functionality to makes use of the distribution channel on its own. Commonly, distribution channel codes are defined that belong to multiple sales organizations. The last level of sales area called the division. A division should I- ideally identify a product category with its own dedicated sales team and corporate structure to support it. You need you will need to define at least one division for each sales area. Last point. The most important organizational element of the SAP Financial is company code, which has been explained in this video. Thank you for watching this video where we discussed about organizational structure in SAP. We hope you found the information helpful and informative. In our next video, we will be talking about important concepts of SAP FI. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to send us an email. See you next time.